Before the world wakes up, before the noise takes over our eyes, I pray I manifest, and then I slay for every dream I've written down, for every goal I refuse to let go. This is the movement, this is the mindset. Keep dreaming, stay soft, and let's build the life we love. Wake, pray, slay, that's the way I start my day. Keep dreaming, stay soft, let's build the life we love. No days off, alarm rings, time to rise. Another day to claim my prize. Hit the floor, hands to the sky, say my thanks, now watch me fly. Emails popping, orders flow, hustle steady, watch me grow. Custom pieces, made with care, every simple vibe I wear. No fear, no doubt, no second guessing. Every move I make is a manifested blessing. Wake, pray, sway, I queen the way, I pave the way. Keep dreaming, stay soft, let's build the life we love, no matter the cost. Late nights green glow bright, filling orders, getting it right. Some days smooth, some days tough, but I don't quit, I level up. They don't see the sleepless nights, they just see the dream in sight. But I put in the work, I put in the time. Every little win is a mountain I climb. I don't chase, I attract. What's meant for me will come to me. My dreams are valid, my work is worthy. Every sale, every step, every move, I am aligned. My success is inevitable. Wake, pray, slay, I turn my dreams to real today. Keep dreaming.
Vision board ready, got goals in my sight. Orders rolling in, yeah, the future looks bright. Busy don't mean I forget who I am. My hustle is style, success in my hands.
From my Tumblr to my tea, every piece is part of me. Where my power sit, my dream, I stay grinding, I stay seen. Manifest a move, I make it real. Every step I take, every dream I feel. Novelty queens, we don't just wait.